In this video, I will show you how to push to a branch on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log on to your GitHub account. And once we have this, we're going to go to the far right where we see the icon that shows our display image. We click on it, we go to repositories. Now, on the repositories, what we want to do is we want to look for the repository that we want to push code to a branch of it to. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna click on branch. As you can see here, we have just one branch. We're gonna create a new branch, and let's name this new branch. And let's name this new branch. We'll create a new branch. Now, once we go back to the code, we should go back to our code locally. We'll copy this and we're going to clone it locally using the git clone on our terminal. Now, after cloning locally in your terminal, you're going to go to your project. And what you're going to do is you're going to access the branches that you have. So let's say git branch list. So we're going to switch to the different branch. Now that we are on a branch that we created, we should have the branch here. Now let's say we created a new file. You see the branch name here. Let's say we created a new file called test.md. We have this file here, and we'd like to push this file to GitHub. You're going to come to your terminal. You're going to view the message. You're going to view the change that you made. So once you click on git status, you should have your change, and we have the untracked file here. So we're going to add the test file, and once we check git status again, now it should be green and now it's tracked. So now we need a commit for the test file. So we're going to do git commit, and we had a message for it. So let's do added a test file. So now once we check git status, it says is a working tree because we added this, we committed our change, we added it and then we committed it. If you look here, you see it is here. But the issue now is that we have the branch locally, but when we go back to GitHub and we go to the code base, we switch the branch, we do not have the test file here. So we need to push to this branch. So what we can do is we go back to our terminal, and then we do git. We make sure that we are on the branch that we wanna push. So let's say git branch. So we are on this branch that we want to push to. Now since we're on this branch, you're gonna do git push, and just like that, we've been able to push to this new branch. And when you come on GitHub, you can see that the new branch has these changes. Click on the main branch, come back to the new branch. Now the new branch has these changes. Now that's how to push to a branch on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.